Student.
Being a student is an important part of life. Students go to school to learn new things, meet people, and prepare for their future. Every person is a student at some point in their life. Whether you are in primary school, high school, or college, being a student comes with many experiences, both good and challenging. In this essay, we will explore what it means to be a student, the responsibilities students have, and how students can succeed. A student's main job is to learn. Learning helps students gain knowledge and skills that will be useful later in life. At school, students study different subjects like math, science, history, and languages. Each subject helps students understand the world better and prepares them for different careers. For example, math teaches problem solving, science explains how the world works, and history helps students learn from the past. Going to school is important because it teaches more than just facts. It helps students develop critical thinking, communication, and teamwork skills. These are essential for success in any job or life situation. Students also learn how to manage their time, follow instructions, and complete tasks. These skills are important both in school and in everyday life. Being a student also means having responsibilities. Students must go to class every day, pay attention, and do their homework. Homework is a way for students to practice what they learned in class. It helps them remember important information and improve their understanding of the subject. Completing homework on time is a key responsibility for students. In addition to homework, students also have to study for tests and exams. Tests show how much a student has learned and help teachers know if the student needs more help. Studying for tests can be stressful, but it is an important part of being a student. To do well on tests, students must review their notes, read their textbooks, and practice problems. Good study habits are essential for success. Another responsibility of students is to behave well in class. This means listening to the teacher, respecting others, and following the school's rules. Good behavior helps create a positive learning environment where everyone can focus and do their best. Students who disrupt the class make it harder for others to learn and for the teacher to teach. Respecting others is important not only in school, but also in life. Balancing school with other activities can be challenging for students. Many students have hobbies, sports, or part-time jobs in addition to their schoolwork. Managing time is important so that students can do well in school and still have time for other things they enjoy. Making a schedule can help students stay organized and manage their time effectively. It is important for students to find a balance between work and relaxation. While school can be challenging, it is also a place for fun and making friends. Students often meet their best friends at school. Friendship is an important part of student life because it provides support, fun, and shared experiences. Friends help each other with homework, study together, and encourage each other to do their best. Good friendships can make school a more enjoyable experience. Students also have the opportunity to participate in extracurricular activities. These are activities outside of regular classes, like sports teams, music clubs, or art programs. Extracurricular activities allow students to explore their interests, develop new skills, and build confidence. They also teach students how to work as part of a team and how to be responsible. Joining a club or team is a great way for students to make new friends and learn new things. Sometimes being a student can be stressful. Schoolwork, tests, and peer pressure can make students feel overwhelmed. It is important for students to learn how to handle stress in a healthy way. Taking breaks, exercising, and talking to someone about how they feel can help students manage stress. School counselors are also available to help students who are feeling overwhelmed or need advice. Success in school depends on hard work, dedication, and a positive attitude. Students who attend class regularly, do their homework, and study for tests are more likely to succeed. It is also important for students to ask for help when they need it. Teachers are there to help students understand difficult subjects, and asking questions can make a big difference. In addition to academic success, students should also focus on personal growth. School is not just about getting good grades, it is also about becoming a better person. Students learn how to set goals, work hard, and overcome challenges. These life skills are important for success in the future. Being kind to others, helping classmates, and showing respect are also important qualities that students should develop. Education is a key to a better future. By learning and gaining knowledge, students can open doors to many opportunities. A good education can lead to a fulfilling career, financial security, and personal growth. Students should take their education seriously because it will help them achieve their dreams. The role of a student is not just limited to school. Learning happens everywhere. Students can learn from their families, communities, and personal experiences. Curiosity and a desire to learn are important traits for any student. Lifelong learning is a goal that students should have because the world is always changing and there is always something new to learn. There are many types of students in the world. Some students are fast learners, while others need more time to understand things. It is important for students to realize that everyone learns at their own pace. Comparing yourself to others can lead to frustration. Instead, students should focus on their own progress and work towards improving themselves. Teachers play a big role in the lives of students. A good teacher can inspire students to love learning and help them succeed. Teachers guide students, answer their questions, and provide feedback to help them improve. Students should respect their teachers and listen to their advice. Having a good relationship with teachers can make the learning experience better and more enjoyable. Technology has also changed the way students learn. With computers, the internet, and online resources, students have access to more information than ever before. They can watch educational videos, read articles, and even take online courses. However, it is important for students to use technology wisely. While technology can be a great tool for learning, it can also be distracting. Students should stay focused and use technology to help them, not distract them from their studies. Being a student today is different from the past. Schools are more modern, and there are new subjects and technologies that students must learn. However, the core of being a student remains the same. Students must work hard, be responsible, and stay curious. Education is still the most important tool for success in life. In conclusion, being a student is a journey of learning and personal growth. It comes with challenges, responsibilities, and rewards. Students must focus on their studies, manage their time, and develop good habits. Success in school requires effort, but it also brings many opportunities. School is not only a place to learn academic subjects, but also a place to grow as a person. By working hard and staying positive, students can make the most of their education and build a bright future for themselves.